Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. This is your coach, Mr. Magnifico. We're going to be recording now from this in this manner. So now, if we look at this lesson now, this is module one, lesson 4. So let's write this down. This is module. Actually, this is module 2. Let me do this correctly, my friends. This is going to be module 2, lesson 4. Okay, there is lesson 4 now. This one is asking us to circle each expression that is not equivalent. Let's underline that. The expression that is not equivalent to the expression in bold. This is our bolded expression. So now what we're looking for are things in this way. 16 times 29. So this is what you need to start getting in your head, how to do these things. So it's 16 times, no, 16, let me just check quickly. 16 times 29. 16 times 29. So there you have it. Now, what we need to do is how to write that one in different ways. Okay, so now what we do now is select one of these number as a unit. So let's select the 16 as a unit. So now we can start with the number that is not circled. So we're going to write, what is that? 29 16s. So that will be the same thing as this one right here. Okay, so that will be the same expression. Now, what if we switch and we want to use the 16, the 29 as a unit? Then you will write it like this: 16, 29s. Okay, that will be another way to write the same expression, which is the same as this one right here. Another way to write that one will be like 16. This is like a game, my friends. Look at this: 16 times. Then you can open a parenthesis and find two numbers that equal 29. Well, that will be 20 plus 9. Look at that. So, okay, that's not a plus sign. So plus 9. So that will be another way to write that down. How about one more way? What if we break both of them down? What will be 16? We know that if you open a parenthesis, that will be 4 times 4. That will equal 16, right? That's the number above. Now we have to multiply that times, and we can use the same expression that we have on the top, or we can change it. We can write 29 in this manner: 30 minus 1. So now that will be the same thing as the expression there. Knowing all of this is going to allow us to solve these problems. We have to select the ones that are not the same. And when to do this, we have to solve them. Well, we already found that this is the same, 29 sixteenths, which is what it says, 29 sixteenths, or 26, 16, 29 sixteenths, or 29 times 16. On this one is 16, which will be the number there, times what will be 30 minus 1, that will be 21. See, now this will be equivalent. So I am not going to circle this one because it is the same as the original one. Let me rewrite the number 29. Okay, now what about this expression? Well, I need to solve them to know if it's true. So this 15 minus 1 will equal 14, right? Times the 29. Is that the same as the one that we have originally talked about, this one? And the answer is no. So we'll circle this one because it says it's not equivalent. This one, you right away can see that the symbol in the middle is a multiplication. This one has a subtraction. So we're going to circle that one because that will not be the same. You will be doing the same thing with the number on the bottom. Okay, so this number says 38 times 45. If we solve this one, this is going to be 78. So the total on these two numbers will be 78 times. The total on the right hand side is 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. The answer will be 43 on this side. And as you can see, these two numbers are not the same as the original number. So we're going to circle this. We're circling the ones that are not equivalent. This one's right here, right away we can see, like, look, this one has a symbol here. It has a symbol that it says plus, I mean multiply, and this one has a plus sign in it. So that right away tells us that this is not the answer. So we're going to circle this one because it's not equivalent. So let me do that. Oops, there you go. Now this one says 45, which is a number that we have here. And 40 plus 2 will be 42. So 42 is not a number in our original equation, so this will be circled. Oh, and look at this. This one says 45/38. This one says 45/38. So we're going to leave that one blank. My friends, watch this video again. It's very simple. It's easy to understand. You'll be an excellent mathematician at the end of this fifth grade year. Signing out, your coach, Clark Kent. Yeah, Mr. Mango is on vacation right now. He's in the Bahamas, sleeping because it's nighttime. Have a good day.